Wet doormats can do more harm than good, and they will literally wear out your welcome. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about a way to solve this damp dilemma right after this. Are you tired of cleaning your shower? Let Wet and Forget Shower clean it for you. Wet and Forget is the quickest, easiest way to keep your shower sparkling clean. Just spray the shower top to bottom and you're done. Next morning, simply rinse it clean. That's it. Use Wet and Forget Shower once a week to tackle soap scum, shower grime, mold, and mildew stains. No scrubbing, no bleach, and no harsh fumes. Don't waste time scrubbing your shower. Pick up a bottle of Wet and Forget Shower at the Home Depot. For a $2 off coupon, go to homedepot.com/cleaning savings. After a rainstorm, your doormat can become virtually useless if it soaks up much water. And if it's on a wooden porch or landing, the constant moisture will eventually lead to wood rot or termites. Here's a quick and easy solution. Create a drying rack for your doormat. Take an old plastic diffuser from a fluorescent light fixture and cut it to size slightly smaller than the doormat itself. A fine-tooth jigsaw is the ideal tool for this cutting job. Then position the diffuser where the doormat will go and secure it to the porch floor with screws and washers at the corners. Then when you put the mat on top of the diffuser, its gridded design will allow water to drain out and air to circulate beneath the mat so it dries out much faster. I'm Danny Lipford with Tips for Today's Homeowner.